Yo, what is up you guys? So in today's video we're gonna make some Sylenth acid. I had to think for a sec, what are we gonna make today? The reason why I'm always like making all these new Sylenth patches for you guys, especially this week, is because I'm making a new Sylenth bank. So basically what you heard is typically like an acidy sound. So in my bank I'm making a bunch of different variations of cool types of acids, so stuff like this, that. So I basically just have a few that I've been working on, and there's a lot more, but they're pretty easy to make in general, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. So that's why I had to think real quick what we were making. I almost forgot. So let me go ahead and make this a little bit easier for you guys to see. So maybe something like this. Awesome. So basically, there's only really two things that you need to do to ensure you have a really good acidity baseline. So basically, just have mono legato and a bandpass filter with modulation, and that's really it. So you can really make these very easily. You only need one oscillator. You don't really need a full around with the amp envelope or anything like that. So I'll just go ahead and start a new one from initialize patch. But if you want to go ahead and copy this down, you go ahead. So you can just see what's going on in this oscillator. Nothing else going on anywhere else. I do use amp envelope B as a third envelope since these two are taken up, and since I wasn't using part B, you could just go ahead and use that envelope right here in the little miscellaneous section as extra sources of modulation. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes I even do the same thing with oscillators. So sometimes I'm not using this side, but you see there's an active oscillator here. Since the amp is all the way down, or mixed side of B is all the way down, I could just route that in through filter A, and so basically I have both of those sides playing, but not actually have the need to have that side's volume up. So in that way you can get really interesting blends with only one side, but still having three oscillators, or sometimes four oscillators. If you wanted to have all four oscillators active, but only through one side's filter, you could do that too. So those are just little thoughts for food. So let's go to a new patch, and we'll basically make something like this. So if you didn't get a chance to pause the video and copy down those settings, go ahead, because we're not going to make that exact same acidity baseline. I'm just going to show you basically another oscillator, maybe throw another bandpass, and then see what we get. So I'm not really trying to recreate that one exactly. So let's just go ahead and play this, and I'll just go ahead and solo Sylenth, and we'll just listen to it as I make something real quick. Alright, so you saw the little comparison right there. I A-B'd the one that I showed you at the beginning and the one I just made. So, funny enough, they're very similar, so I probably have to change this one completely or just throw it away so I can save that spot for another brand new patch for the bank. But basically, you saw what I was doing there, and you kind of got to hear it as I was doing it from initialized sound, so that way you can get a good idea of why I do certain things in a certain order. So thanks guys for watching, and of course if you guys want to see more Sylenth stuff, let me know. I have a lot of cool stuff in these bank that I'm working on that I really want to show you guys. So maybe the next thing I'm thinking about is how to do some strings, so maybe something like this. So if you guys want to see something like that, let me know. And I don't even know if I played any proper notes, but anyways, thanks guys for watching, and of course, late.